Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Path of Exile 2, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you that how actually I got a copy of the game here on my PC. As you can see, you can do this in any platform guys, not just for the PC. If you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share to you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also you how to do it on your own guys for your platform. So all you have to do guys, you just need to grab your phone. It doesn't matter what kind of device you are using, iOS or Android. I'm just going to share it with my iPhone because it's what I use. If you have Android device, it's totally fine. The steps are going to be the same guys. Okay, so guys, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer. Go and search about this website. Oops, sorry, let me type it one more time for you. It's called Lulu Coupons. Okay, .com practically. So once you're gonna enter here guys, you have the dark mode and white mode like you want. In day mode, you can just scroll it down. You can use the searching bar, but you can scroll it down. It's here in the beginning. You just need to press the code guys here and you have information, and then you just scroll it down. It shows show coupon code. This is a note which says this is one-time use code guys, so keep in mind. And now it's checking for the coupons and the validity of it. And okay, here we are. It says the coupon is valid. So basically you're gonna get this code guys and you can redeem it after in any platform that you want, that you play practically the game. Now it says the code is logged guys, so you just need to get the full code, and this is going to redirect you to another page and it's required to complete little task in order to complete to get the code for free. So it says download the complete 2 apps below guys to unlock Path of Exile 2 game code, and note it is that do not use VPN or proxy because otherwise it will not work probably. So all you have to do guys, so you need to scroll it down. You're going to find the list of apps. All of them, they are for free. You don't have to pay anything guys, and all the apps are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to do anything outside official store. All right, so what you have to do, you just need to read instruction. Every app have different instructions. Make sure you read it good so it doesn't make any mistake. And once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, you just need to press on it. For example, it goes like this: press on it, unlock the code. It's going to redirect you to App Store or Play Store. It depends on the device you are using. You just need to download it. Okay guys, you have to download it, and then for this app particularly, it was to download the app and just to open it. So just take a couple of seconds inside. All right, so around 30 seconds, and then you can get back guys to the site again and do second one. Also second one, you need to press on it, unlock the code guys, and this one is showing the instruction. It will take you to App Store to search tester app and find Cooper and just install it. So take us okay, here it is, tester app, download, and then once it's going to be done guys, this we just need to open. So these apps that I did are very simple. They don't require too much time. So even you can check which app it's more easy for you to do it, so you can do it. Some there are games, some there are apps. All right, so it says the app to download it, and just download it and open it guys. So after I complete both of these 2 apps, you need to get back in the site again. All right, and then you just need to go back again and the code will be unlocked. All right, so you just need to copy the code guys, and then you can press like if you like this coupon and so on, and enjoy the game. If you have any question guys, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to share with you everything you need to know. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button if you like the video. See you in the next videos guys. Cheers.